Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear app cache on Samsung in 2025. There are two ways to do this. From the app menu, let's say I want to clear the app cache of the Galaxy Store. Press down on it, tap on the icon at the top, and then go to storage, tap on storage. You can see cache here, about 6.11. I click on clear cache. It's as simple as that. The second way to do it is from the menu here, tap on settings, and then you scroll down until you see apps, tap on it, and then you choose the app you want to clear the cache. This I want to clear the cache of let's say Gypsy. So tap on it and scroll down until you see battery and storage. Tap on storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.